What's up, guys? The day has come. It is time to give away, pick the winners for the work and play giveaway for the two PSA utility trailers. So let's get to it. We got the first list pulled up. We're going to give away the Classic right now. We got our whole list of names here. Over 2,000 names for the Classic PSA. So now we're going to pick a random one. Cesar Sanchez is our name, so hold tight. We're going to verify that Cesar is legit, and we'll be right back with you. All right, guys, we have verified Cesar's legit. We got his phone number dialed up, and we are about to give him a call and let him know that he won the Classic PSA in the work and play giveaway. Let's go. Give it a little call, put it on speakerphone.
Hello?
Hey, is this Cesar?
Yeah, this is me.
Hey, man, did you happen to enter a giveaway for a trailer with Diamond C?
I did.
All right, buddy. Well, I got some really good news for you today.
No, man, you're kidding me.
No, you are winning. You're winning the Classic PSA in the work and play giveaway.
Oh, man. Oof.
How's that sound?
That's crazy. I'm in shock, in all honesty.
So where are you from?
I'm in Paris.
Ah, Paris, Texas. That's not too bad. Well, good deal. What are you planning to use the trailer for?
Man, I have, stuff to haul around. I don't have a trailer of my own, so every time, I need to use one, I have to ask my dad for his.
Ah, well, now Dad's going to be asking to use yours.
I believe it.
Well, cool, man. Hey, congratulations again, and we'll be in touch shortly with some more details as far as picking it up. We're coordinating picking it up along with the other one, the Venture winner, and so yeah, we'll get you guys coordinated on the same page, and you can come pick up your new trailer. That's one down, one to go. Let's now do the Venture series, Venture Edition. We got pick this random name, Brett Draper. Brett Draper is our Venture Edition winner. Let's go see if he's legit. All right, guys, winner number 2. Brett Draper has been verified. He is legit. We've got his number dialed up, and we're going to give him a call. We're going to get the second one given away officially. Let's see here. Get it on speaker.
Hello?
Hey, is this Brett Draper?
Yeah.
Hey, Brett, did you happen to enter a giveaway with Diamond C Trailers out of Texas?
Yes, I did.
Well, man, I got some good news for you today, buddy.
Yeah.
This is Jacob Crabb of Diamond C, and you won the Venture Edition PSA in the Diamond C giveaway.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Well, I can't believe that.
That's awesome, man. Well, what are your plans with the trailer, you think?
Pretty much all my side-by-side and stuff.
I got you. That's awesome. What kind of side-by-side do you run?
Polaris Ranger 900.
Awesome. Well, cool, man. Yeah, 100%. You won the Venture. We're making the call today, and we'll give you a call back here shortly and iron out the details of picking it up and all that good stuff that goes along with it.
Is it something I have to drive to Texas to pick up, or?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it would be pick up here at the factory in Texas.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Cool.
So, I'll talk to my wife and hopefully she's fine with it.
Okay. Good deal, man.
I'll have to figure out how to get to Texas.
Sure. Yes, sir. Cool. Well, we'll be in touch here shortly.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, guys, that's it. Both of them given away. We will be looking for content. We'll post some videos and things on the pickup. Both guys coming down to pick their new trailers up, and you'll get to see what all that looks like.